going to show you how to backup a folder to Google Photos using your PC step by step. This method is useful if you want to upload an entire folder including photos and videos instead of uploading files one by one. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome from my desktop. In the top right corner next to my account picture, I clicked on the Google Apps icon. From the drop-down menu, I clicked on Google Photos and the Google Photos interface opened. Now in the top right corner, I clicked on the plus icon. A drop-down menu appeared. From this list, I selected Backup folder. After clicking on it, the file manager opened on my PC. Here I searched for that folder that I wanted to backup to Google Photos. Once I found the folder, I selected it and clicked on select folder. After that, a permission pop-up appeared. I clicked on allow to give Google Photos permissions to access the folder. As you can see, the folder data started uploading automatically. Depending on the folder size and internet speed, this may take some time. After a short while, the folder backup was completed successfully. I refreshed Google Photos and inside the folder I could see the uploaded files. In my case, the folder contained 2 videos and both were visible. I played one video to confirm that the backup was completed properly, and that's it. This is how you can backup a folder to Google Photos on your PC in a simple and easy way.